Hi, Wakefield. I'm getting what you're going with here, and I'm liking it. So I would say, maybe try finding a different horn that has a curl in it. Um, these just they come off as horns, but they're not. I don't know. Just finding a curl in the horn that came off like this would be good. And you could just clip one out and copy paste it, and then flip it for this side, and that would save you some time. Um, I would say I've just been experimenting. I actually, on this layer that you have of yourself clipped out over the top of your background, you could put a hue saturation adjustment layer on it, and I have it turned way down, but like you can kind of change the. I mean, you don't want to go too crazy with it, but you could change like the colors of your skin a little bit with that. You can also try different adjustment layers. You don't have to use the hue saturation, but there's a couple different things you could do. But just to change the color of your skin and stuff, just to make you look a little bit more, I don't know, fantasy. Um, Also, I file placed in, um, embedded in an image, and I turned it into a rasterized object by right-clicking on it, and then going to rasterize layer, and then I just erased, with using the eraser tool, I just erased the rest of the layer except for over your glasses. I did a really rudimentary, crude job at all of this, by the way. If you do this, definitely do a much cleaner job, but glasses are a great place to bring in interesting things like patterns or colors or anything like that. Snakeskin, zebra stripes, or whatever you want to bring in. This so happens to be kind of a starburst looking thing. I didn't do a great job. I missed a spot there, but so the eraser tool works really well for that. You just have to rasterize the layer before you use the eraser tool. And obviously, turn down the size up here if you need to get a little bit more detail. Zoom in, take your time, and do a good job. Mine doesn't look great, obviously. I've made some mistakes. But anyway, I think, maybe adding in one more element of some sort into the mix would be good. Maybe something in the sky over here, or maybe an overall pattern over the top of the misty forest might be cool. So anyway, so far so good. Talk to you later.